I'm Vishal Prabhakar from Manavrashna International Institute of Research and Studies with my colleagues HUION and Rohit, who are helping me produce this video. I'm at the BVA laboratory, or Bachelor of Visual Arts Laboratory. Now, welcome to the unboxing of Canvas 13. This is a graphic pen display monitor tablet, and this is the first unboxing in India. So please follow along and enjoy the ride. And this is the moment of truth. This opens up. That's your 13-inch canvas. That's how it looks. It's first class. So let's bring it out. Again, drivers, universal plug adapter, it comes with a stand, so you can put this on a stand, you can start working with it. That's your stand. We can attach it as it's shown. We'll do that. We will just. So I put the Type-C adapter port in here. I'm going to take this particular socket, and this is going to go into my power source. So the moment I do this, this is fixed. Then I have my USB and HDMI. We're going to start with this. But before we do that, let's fix this guy. Let's say I'm going to use it over here like this. So I'm going to take this Canvas Pro 13 and take this way. It's going to rest with this. It's good to go. So now, moment of truth. I'm powering on the Canvas Pro 13. And there it is. This powers on. Now, it does a bit of a check in terms of the computer outputs, etc. etc. So first, let's peel its cover off. Here. And then I'm going to go to my display preferences. So right here. And I say arrangement, and I say mirror displays. The displays are mirrored. It says GD133, so I'll keep it at it. I'll close it, and now I'll go and search for its drivers. So we've launched our Safari, as I'm on a MacBook Pro, and as I go to HUIONtablet.com, this page opens with Canvas Pro 13 highlighted. All I have to do is go here, click on the driver, and then scroll down to my pen tablet monitor, and this is the list of all the pen tablet monitors from HUION. and I go ahead and say driver for Apple. I click on it and the download starts.